Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing 10 things that I'm going to be using non-stop this summer. I feel like summertime lends itself to more fun makeup, sometimes more lightweight makeup, and also certain trends that I feel like just work in summer. So I'm going to share with you guys the things that I'm going to be using non-stop. First and foremost, we're starting with sunscreen. I wanted to give you guys my recommendations again. You can of course use whatever sunscreen you like best, but here are my top picks. For underneath makeup, the Summer Friday Shadedrops Mineral Milk Sunscreen is my favorite. It's the best sunscreen out there. For me, you just can't go wrong with this. I love it so much. I love the texture of this. I think it blends into the skin seamlessly. It's my favorite for the face. For the body, I'll pop up a picture right here. It's actually a baby sunscreen. I have talked about this before on my channel. I started using this when I was pregnant with my daughter, and I actually now use it on her, and I still use it on myself. It's so good. It's a mineral sunscreen. It's from Pipette. It's SPF 50, and it just leaves like the most beautiful glow on the skin as well. So those are my sunscreen picks. Again, whatever sunscreen you like the best is the best one to use. But for me, I'm really picky and I love mineral sunscreens, and those two have been my personal favorite after trying dozens. The second thing I'm going to be using like crazy is skin tints. Now there's so many different skin tints, high-end and drugstore. I will have a few of my favorites at all price points linked down below. The one I'm wearing today is from Ciele. This is their Tint and Protect skin tint, and it is so good. I love it because it just melts into my skin. I feel like it gives beautiful coverage while still looking skin-like. It's very lightweight, which makes it perfect for summer, and it's also SPF 50, which is fabulous. I also love that my skin looks really fresh and it wears really well on me. If you can't tell, I love this one. But again, I will have several of my favorite skin tints linked down below for you. When I think of summer, I also think of bronzers, but this year I feel like I'm leaning toward a certain type of bronzer. Both of these are actually pretty new to me. There is also one at the drugstore from Milani that I love that I'll have linked down below, but I've been reaching for more glowy bronzers, not glittery, okay? I don't want glitter. I just want like a healthier glow, and this Makeup by Mario bronzer I just barely bought. This is the Softsculpt Bronzing and Shaping Serum, but I haven't stopped wearing it since I bought it. It's what I have all over the face today. I love that it has a little bit of a sheen to it, but it's also almost like watercolor for the face, so it's going to give you a very, very natural finish and just like a lit from within healthy glow. I'm obsessed with this one already. The second one that has a little bit of shimmer, not glitter, is from RMS Beauty. If you guys know, I love their blushes. They recently launched these Redimension Hydra bronzers, and I haven't been able to put these down. I layered a bit of this on top of the Mario one today. You can see it has a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it's not anything that's gonna like emphasize texture. It gives a gorgeous glow on the skin. I have been loving it. I also love the level of pigmentation of these. It's not too much to where you can't really build it up and go overboard. It's perfect. So I've been really, really enjoying both of those. Milani makes a great baked one that has a nice glow to it. And then I think L'Oreal also has one that I love. So I'll link a couple of my favorite drugstore ones as well. I'm just really into a little bit more of a glowy bronzer, but I'm so picky with the type. Like it cannot emphasize texture, and I don't feel like any of these do, especially when used in the right amount. Speaking of glow, this is something that I really didn't pay attention to in previous years, but for some reason I'm obsessed with body glow products right now. I actually just barely picked up this from Amazon. It's actually a French brand. I saw it on TikTok and Instagram all on like the same day, and I had to buy it. This is a body oil from the brand Nuxe. I don't know how you say that. Maybe I'm saying it completely wrong. I really don't know. But it's so gorgeous and it smells so good. Let me just put a little bit on so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. What I like about this is it's not too tinted to where it looks funny on me, especially since like I haven't really been using self-tanner as much. I'm just kind of letting my natural skin tone shine. I don't know if that's picking up the way I want it to, but in person it leaves such a beautiful natural glow on the skin. My skin feels hydrated. I really have been loving it. And it smells incredible. It also looks gorgeous across like the neck and chest if you're looking for something for like vacation. Another one I'm loving is the Golden Secrets Aphrodisiac Body Glow Oil. Now this one actually does have a little bit more of a tint to it. Maybe I can show you. Here we go. See how it has almost like a red undertone, which I actually think shows up a little bit better on me. Again, I'm not naturally super tan, but you can kind of see how it just adds a little bit of like a healthy color to my skin. This also has a bit of mica in it, so you're gonna get a gorgeous kind of lit from within glow. This one smells more like essential oils, which is really nice, but I've also been really, really loving this one. Also across the neck and chest. Both really, really nice glowy skin products. I feel like this French Pharmacy one is cheaper than this one, so you know, similar effect, different price points. And then I just barely got this week and I have not put it down. This is new from Dezi Skin, which is Dezi Perkins skincare line. This is called the Body Gloss. It's an ultra rich body lotion. I bought this because it looked so glassy on her skin. And honestly, I was expecting it to be really sticky and I wasn't gonna care because I wanted that effect, but it's not sticky whatsoever. It is so pretty. Let me show you on my other arm. I didn't apply any of this yet today, but you can hopefully see, I'll start to work this in. And the crazy part is it like actually sinks into the skin, but leaves your skin looking really glossy. You can kind of see now. It's also really like comfortable. There's not a super heavy fragrance. It smells nice, but it's not enough to where it like clashes with anything else you're wearing. Are you guys seeing this? Maybe I feel like I'm not able to really show how pretty this is on camera. See how glowy my arm is? I don't know. It's hard to show. The point is, on the arms and legs, I'm already obsessed with it. I was wearing a dress the other day and I popped this on my legs and it just made my skin look so healthy. And I have very fair skin, so sometimes, you know, it's hard for these products to show up on me, if that makes sense, but I felt like whenever the light hit, my skin just looked so glowy and healthy, and it's so good. I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait to use this all summer long. I've never tried anything quite like this, so I'm really excited about it. Since we're talking body products, I figured we would just talk about fragrance for a second. I have very specific fragrances for most of the year, but in the summertime, I do like to switch things up just a little bit, and I have two that I'm really excited to wear this summer, one of which I tried a few months ago, and I told you guys, it was in a favorites video, I told you I was saving it for summer, so now I'm wearing this. This is the Dead Cool Sunlit Blooms perfume. It is so pretty. It's much more floral than what I typically go for, but it's so good. Oh my gosh. I love it. I don't know. I've never smelled anything quite like this, so I've been wearing this one on repeat. And then I just barely received this in the mail. I bought this from Leda, which is Stephanie Leda's fragrance brand. She makes the prettiest fragrances, and I just barely bought her summer one called 14 Isla Coco, and this is the most beautiful fresh coconut scent. It's definitely more fresh than I was anticipating, but I was pleasantly surprised at how much I love this. I typically reach for things that are a little less bright than this, but because of the coconut in there, I feel like it works, and it's just such a pure daytime summer scent. I cannot wait to wear this all summer long. Hopping back to makeup, I'm also somebody who's still into faux freckles. I know that's kind of like a controversial thing. I feel like some people love it, some people hate it. You know what I mean? It's just one of those things that to each their own, okay? But for me, I've really, really been loving the Buble and Rudy Berry Freckle Pen. I just do a little bit. It's really, I don't like to go overboard for me because I have natural freckles, but they're mostly on like my cheeks. So I don't personally like to go too overboard in the areas that I don't have a lot of natural freckles. So across the nose, for example, I don't really have any there, but I do like to just add a little bit, and I do it underneath powder so that it kind of is even more subtle on me personally, so it looks as natural as possible. But I think it's really cute. I think there's something very youthful and summery about it, so I will be using these all summer. Again, to each their own. You know, you guys, if you don't like faux freckles, you don't need to use them. I just personally think they're really cute. Setting spray is a must. You guys know, Charlotte Tilbury setting spray and the One Size Beauty one, which I forgot to grab. I'll have it linked down below. You don't need any other setting sprays other than those. If you want your makeup to last and look the exact same during hot summer nights, the One Size Beauty is literally like hairspray for the face, and if you want it to be indestructible, layer this one underneath, and I promise you, your makeup's not going anywhere. When the weather heats up, it's really important to pick a mascara that's gonna hold up through the humidity, the heat, the water, whatever. So for me personally, that's when I go into my tubing mascaras. My two favorites are the Cali Ray one, and then also the one from Thrive Cosmetics. I'll have them linked down below. I haven't yet found a drugstore tubing mascara that I love, unless technically is the Lash Sensational Sky High mascara a tubing mascara? Question mark? Okay, if it is, I'll link that one because I do love that one. But if not, will you guys tell me if you have a tubing mascara from the drugstore that you love? Because I would love to be able to like recommend, you know, and try out different price points of tubing mascaras. But these two are just the ones that I personally reach for like crazy. I love a tubing mascara because You literally just don't have to worry about it smudging or flaking, and then it comes off so easily at the end of the day. Or if for some reason like you end up going swimming, okay, and you have a tubing mascara on, you can just simply like remove it and it's not gonna create raccoon eyes all around your eyes. So anyway, I love a good tubing mascara. For me, it's essential for summer. The ninth thing that I'm going to be using nonstop is anything that hydrates the lips. I currently am wearing the Gisou Honey Infused Lip Oil. This is the shade Strawberry Sorbet. I think it's the cutest color for summer. Also, shameless plug, Revie Beauty Effortless Lips. This is my dream everyday lip formula that I created. It is top notch, out of this world. Of course I'm biased, but it's literally so good, so hydrating, and just kind of gives your lips a glowy, balmy look. It's very buildable as well. You guys know I'm also really into this Armani gloss. This is the Prismaglass gloss. I've been loving it. I also love the Maybelline lifter glosses, just anything that's gonna really hydrate the lips, make your lips look full and juicy. Extra points for anything that kind of has a cute little pink tint. I'm all about it this summer. Last but not least, I'm going to be really enjoying colorful nails this summer. I just painted mine this gorgeous color from Olive & June. This is from their new collection. This is I'll Take Another Spritz. It's a really pretty like peachy color, but I'm also really excited to wear colors like these. I just received these in PR. This is from Light Slacker, their new summer collection as well. This blue, like a cobalt blue, I feel like is going to be so fun this summer. This is called Sunday in Santorini. How gorgeous is that? Also, anything red, but this one from the new collection, I'm so excited to wear. It kind of gives the same vibes as this lip oil. So if you're going for something, you know, matchy, that would be a cute combo. This is called Raspberry Sorbet. And then I cannot wait to try Mediterranean Summer. Again, I just received these, but I'm just giving you like the vibes. You know, this is a really pretty blue, but it has gorgeous kind of like green gold reflex in here, and I just can't wait to wear them. I also am really wanting to find like the perfect fuchsia pink. So if you have a recommendation for a good fuchsia pink nail polish, let me know, because I'm really excited to wear more bright colors. I honestly feel like I stick to neutrals and pastels most of the year, but in the summertime I think it's so fun to play with something a little more electric and just different. So I'm going to be having fun with color on my nails. There you have it. Those are the 10 things I'm going to be wearing nonstop this summer. I will have different price points per category of different product recommendations for you guys. Link down below if you want something from the drugstore, if you're wanting to splurge a little bit more. I'll try to have my favorite things per category listed out for you guys just to give you some inspo. As always, I would love to hear from you. Let me know what you guys are going to be wearing nonstop this summer. If there's a fragrance, if there's a nail polish that you're going to be wearing, a certain makeup trend you love, whatever it is, tell me in the comments. I love to hear from you guys. I know this was kind of like a different video than what I normally do. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, let me know if you'd like to see this similar style of video in the future. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and yeah, that's it for me today. I hope you guys have an amazing day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye!